Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 12 June 2018, 14 of hour, 31 of minute and 39 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is the whooping cough deadly? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is the whooping cough deadly. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is the whooping cough deadly. Whooping cough, or pertussis, is a very serious respiratory, in the lungs and breathing tubes, infection caused by the pertussis bacteria. It can cause violent coughing fits. Whooping cough is most harmful for young babies and can be deadly. Last update Jan 31, 2018. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.